3 o'clock in the morning. The Ariake Sea, Japan. The ocean is completely dark.
Beneath the surface of Japan's Ariake Sea, invisible from any boat, invisible from any shore. The Ariake Sea in Kyushu is the most productive nori farming bay in Japan, and Japan produces 70% of the world's nori. This sheet of nori, so thin it is nearly transparent when held to light, began as a microscopic spore in a laboratory in Saga Prefecture.
Nori appears in more Japanese dishes than any other single ingredient. Sushi rolls, onigiri rice balls,
before nori became sushi wrapping, before it became a global snack food, before it became $1 billion nori has been eaten in Japan since at least 701 AD, when it appeared in Japan's first legal code, the In the 1640s, fishermen in Edo Bay discovered that bundles of bamboo brushwood, placed in shallow water.
For 1,200 years, Japanese nori farmers could not control their harvest because no one understood nori's complete life cycle.
Drew Baker's discovery revealed that nori has two completely different life forms alternating through the year. The familiar flat green nori frond releases spores.
In Uto City, Kumamoto, the heart of Japan's Ariake Sea nori farming district, a bronze statue.
Modern nori farming begins not in the ocean, but in a seed production laboratory. Pyropia yezoensis conchosalis are cultivated. A single Pyropia yezoensis spore is 8 to 10 micrometers in diameter, smaller than a human red blood cell. Understanding the nori life cycle transformed a wild harvest that failed 3 years in 5 into a reliable, managed aquaculture system.
Every October, the Ariake Sea undergoes a transformation. Thousands of bamboo poles are driven into the bay floor.
At deployment, the nori germlings on the nets are invisible, too small to see with the naked eye. But within
Pyropia yezoensis is one of the fastest-growing multicellular organisms on Earth. In the cold, nutrient-rich waters,
the Ariake Sea has one of Japan's most extreme tidal ranges, up to 6 meters between high and low tide. A nori net deployed in the Ariake Sea is not passive. The farmer monitors it every 2 to 3 days, checking frond growth rate and color quality. The greatest threat to nori net quality is contamination by ulva sea lettuce, a faster-growing green algae that competes for space on the nori nets. Nori farming in the Ariake Sea is managed by fishing cooperatives, community organizations that allocate specific bay sections to member farmers.
Nori requires no irrigation, no fertilizer, no pesticide, and no soil. It feeds entirely by
By late November, the Ariake Sea nori farm is at its peak beauty from above and at its peak productivity below.
The alarm goes off at 2:30 a.m. By 3 a.m., the nori harvesting boat is already leaving the harbor.
Hurry up, the tide is turning. We need to clear this section now. Pulling the lever, engage the cutters.
The mechanical nori harvester, developed in Japan in the 1960s, pulls the nori net through a rotating drum fitted with soft brushes that strip the fronds cleanly from the mesh.
Fresh nori from the Ariake Sea smells like the ocean itself, a combination of the sea, the iodine of marine algae, and a faint marine sweetness.
A skilled Ariake Sea nori farmer can assess harvest readiness from the boat without touching the nets, reading the color and density of the nori fronds. A single harvest run on the Ariake Sea before sunrise collects enough fresh nori to produce.
The pressure is increasing. Monitor the valve. Maintaining optimal speed. The quality looks good.
The nori farming calendar runs from October to April in the ocean, then transitions to the laboratory for the summer conchal.
First harvest nori, called Ichiba nori in Japanese, is the highest quality crop of the season. The young fronds have the By the time the sun fully rises over the Ariake Sea, the harvest is complete and the processing factories are already running at full capacity.
The nori processing factory receives fresh Pyropia yezoensis from the boats, and must transform it into finished dried sheets within 6 hours.
After washing, the Pyropia yezoensis fronds are chopped into a fine pulp, reducing the variable lengths of harvested fronds. Modern nori sheet machines produce one finished frame, carrying one nori sheet every 3 to 5 seconds. The freshly spread nori slurry on its drying frame contain approximately 85% water. Everything about the drying process is designed to remove that water.
The color transformation of nori during drying is a precise chemical process. As moisture leaves the sheet, the chlorophyll in the
Nori sheet quality assessment in Japan follows a precise grading system, from grade 1, the highest, used for premium sushi, to grade 9, the lowest. Dried nori becomes the familiar roasted nori through a brief toasting process, passing the sheet quickly over a low heat source. In Japan, premium nori is a luxury gift. High-grade Ichiba nori from the Ariake Sea. From a microscopic spore seeded onto a net in October to a dark, paper-thin sheet wrapping your sushi roth.
The Ariake Sea nori farming system covers 60,000 hectares, an area larger than the island of Singapore.
Large-scale nori cultivation has an unexpected environmental benefit. Pyropia yezoensis absorbs dissolved nitrogen and phosphorus from seawater as it grows. Japan's nori culture spread to Korea, where it is called gim.
and South Korea has now become Japan's primary competitor in global nori exports. Nori's migration from Japanese tradition to global ingredient has accelerated dramatically since 2010. The global seaweed food market, primarily driven by nori and the greatest threat facing the Japanese nori industry is rising sea temperatures from climate change. Pyropia yezoensis thrives between 10 and 15 degrees Celsius.
In Japan, nori is not exotic. It is not a specialty ingredient. It appears in the school lunchbox of a 6-year-old in Osaka.
The average age of a Japanese nori farmer in the Ariake Sea is 62. Young people from the fishing community.
This museum celebrates the rich heritage of nori farming, from traditional bamboo nets to the critical discovery of the Pyropia life cycle.
From a wild seaweed gathered from rocks by Japanese coastal women in 701 AD, to a microscopic spore called. In late March, the nori farming season ends. The nets are removed. The bamboo poles are pulled from the bay floor.
In summer, the Ariake Sea rests. No nets, no harvest, no 3 a.m. alarm.
Look at this. This is the fresh nori we harvest.
Wow, it's really dark green.
It looks amazing.
Every time a child in Japan wraps a piece of nori around a rice ball for their school lunch, every time a sushi chef rolls a maki at midnight, the Ariake Sea nori farming community is one of Japan's most tightly knit rural societies. Farming families have worked the same bay sections for 4 and 5 generations. A single nori sheet contains more vitamin B12 than a glass of milk, more iodine than any land vegetable, 35% protein by dry weight, higher than beef or chicken.
The future of the Ariake Sea nori farm depends on young people like these, willing to set a 2:30 a.m. alarm.
In 1,300 years of eating from the ocean. A life cycle mystery solved by a Welsh male scientist in 1949.